from Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. There's a shocking video that we have accessed that has caught the police red-handed. It's a case where a 16-year-old girl was burnt alive by the accused when she avoided his advances. Now, the video reveals how the policeman is refusing to file a complaint in the case. Well, we are getting these shots where you can see on the screen.
तो एफआईआर हुई नहीं है?
होगी भी नहीं यार मेरे।
क्यों?
अरे यार आदमी पैसा दिल तो दिया उसमें, अभी और लेगा वो पैसा।
मुकदमा कोई तहरीर नहीं आई है, ना मुकदमा लिखा जाएगा। सही बात तो तुम्हें यार ये बता दूं, ये पैसों के लेकर पैसों का खेला है पूरा है। अरे नहीं, कोई तहरीर नहीं आई अब तक। मर गई। अभी अब देखो कराया जा रहा है, अभी मरी है, कराया जा रहा है उसका, ठीक है।
We have Pranshu joining us on the story. Pranshu, it is indeed a criminal inaction by police refusing to file a complaint.
Well, see, clearly that's right. See, in fact, this particular official who is being seen in this video claiming that the family of the victim is in fact people who are in fact rushing to get some sort of money from the accused, and therefore they are failing to register an FIR. Now, what's more shocking is that immediately before this comment, this particular station officer, Saten Singh, who was the station officer of the Sasni police station, the area under which this gruesome crime took place, he is in fact observing on his mobile the statement from the girl in a very critical state. She is giving that statement, and even after that, this particular cop, who is in fact primarily responsible for registering an FIR and ensuring justice, is still waiting for family to come up. And what the mindset he is having is that probably family is being delayed in registering an FIR because they want some sort of a money. So clearly that is the mindset, that is what the real problem lies in when we talk that how this entire justice mechanism fails to deliver. Then that is the clear proof of the mindset, at least at the lower level of the police officials, who in fact fail to act despite having those evidences with them, and they still wait for the family to come in, and they clearly feel that this is something which is because the family of the victim, they are in need of money, or they are trying to bargain through the plight of that 16-year-old girl who was burnt yesterday. This particular footage we have, this is of morning at around 9 a.m. this morning. Incident took place late night yesterday. So clearly, even after hours, the police kept on waiting, and it was only after the interference from the senior officials that around 3 p.m. This afternoon, this particular FIR was registered. But what's more shocking is that all the senior officials, including the SP of Hathras, has failed to act against this cop, who was primarily the first person responsible to register an FIR and ensure a speedy investigation in this particular case.
Absolutely, Pranshu, be with us. Let's listen into this entire video once again, where there is a cop who shirked his duty and has been caught red-handed, refusing to file a complaint.
तो एफआईआर हुई नहीं है?
होगी भी नहीं यार मेरे।
क्यों?
अरे यार आदमी पैसा दिल तो दिया उसमें, अभी और लेगा वो पैसा।
मुकदमा कोई तहरीर नहीं आई है, ना मुकदमा लिखा जाएगा। सही बात तो तुम्हें यार ये बता दूं, ये पैसों के लेकर पैसों का खेला है पूरा है। अरे नहीं, कोई तहरीर नहीं आई अब तक। मर गई। अभी अब देखो कराया जा रहा है, अभी मरी है, कराया जा रहा है उसका, ठीक है।
Pranshu is with us on the story. Pranshu, we have on one hand a girl, a 16-year-old girl who was burnt alive, is fighting for her life. On the other hand, when her family is trying to register an FIR, this cop has said that we will not register it because they are claiming money. It is a question that who will police the police now?
Well, you see, clearly it's a question which the senior police officials have to reply, because remember, there have been several claims from the state government here, the Akhilesh Yadav-led Samajwadi Party government. The senior officials, in fact, the DGP of Uttar Pradesh just a few days back demanded, requested the government to amend the CRPC and the entire IPC Act so that speedy justice could be given in such cases. But then we have the cops who are in fact managing the police station, in managing the districts, who still wait for the family to come up. And we all know, and in fact we have been getting these reports from the local the people on the ground there in Hathras, that the entire family was busy ensuring the primary treatment to the girl, and therefore they have failed to reach the police station at the first point in time. So clearly the duty of this cop was to have ensured that someone should have gone to the family, got an FIR, but what we are seeing is a clearly shocking video.